Hi, and we're the Microbe Brothers.
Hi, I'm Toby.
And I'm Sam. So here we have a green blob that we thought was a colony, because we can see all sorts of little blobs inside of it.
They all seem green. It might be some algae.
Yeah, possibly. But we were just amazed at how much the cell membrane can stretch and move around, right?
I think it's bursting.
I don't think so. It just seems like there was something trying to escape.
Maybe.
Here we have a Paramecium. It's moving around in its little enclosure. We didn't think it could quite get out.
Because of that little black dot that's blocking the exit?
No, I think it can move past that. I think there was just stuff up above that sort of blocked its way. And down at the bottom it's blocked. So
yeah, it could probably chew through those.
I don't think so. We couldn't quite identify it. And also it sucks stuff in. It doesn't really chew.
There's a little flagellate. And if you know what the Paramecium is, leave it in the comments.
And what the little flagellate is, too. Oh, looks like... Wait, are they having a fight? Wait. That was really fast. Let's play that again.
Looks like they're having a fight to me. I think the Paramecium's trying to suck it up. Whoa, everything around it just moved.
And that little blob on the right moved, too. So here we have a Diatom. It looks like the Paramecium's thinking about eating it, but the Diatom's hard shell, we think, is probably too hard and too big for it to...
And also too hard for anything to eat.
Yeah, that's also what sand is made out of, Diatom shells. We couldn't quite identify it again, so please leave what you think it is in the comments below. Here we have two big cells, and the one on the bottom has a fairly large nucleus, doesn't it, Toby?
Yeah,